The human nervous system is the body's master control and communication network. It allows us to move, feel, think, react, and stay balanced every moment of our lives. From simple actions like blinking an eye to complex movements like running or writing, everything depends on fast and precise nerve signals traveling through the body. At its core, the nervous system is responsible for receiving information, processing it, and sending instructions. It works at incredible speed, using electrical and chemical signals to communicate between different parts of the body. This speed is what allows us to react instantly to danger, coordinate smooth movements, and adapt to our environment. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. It acts as the command center, where information is analyzed and decisions are made. The peripheral nervous system connects this command center to the rest of the body, carrying signals to and from muscles, organs, and sensory receptors. Let's start with how information enters the system. Sensory receptors located in the skin, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, muscles, and joints constantly monitor the environment. They detect changes such as heat, pressure, pain, light, sound, and body position. When a stimulus is detected, sensory neurons convert it into an electrical signal and send it toward the spinal cord and brain. This process is known as sensory input. Once these signals reach the central nervous system, they are processed and interpreted. The brain determines what the information means and decides how the body should respond. For example, when you see an object moving toward you, the brain quickly processes the visual information and decides whether to move, catch, or avoid it. This decision-making happens in fractions of a second. After processing, the nervous system sends commands back to the body through motor neurons. These neurons carry signals from the brain or spinal cord to muscles and glands. This is called motor output. When motor signals reach muscles, they cause muscle fibers to contract or relax, producing movement. When they reach glands, they trigger the release of hormones or other substances. One of the most impressive features of the nervous system is its speed. Nerve signals travel as electrical impulses called action potentials. These impulses move along long nerve fibers known as axons. Many axons are covered with a fatty insulating layer called myelin, which allows signals to travel much faster. Instead of moving slowly along the entire axon, the impulse jumps between small gaps in the myelin, dramatically increasing speed. This rapid transmission is essential for quick reactions and precise coordination. Reflex actions demonstrate just how fast the nervous system can be. A reflex is a quick, automatic response to a stimulus that does not require conscious thought. For example, when you touch something hot, sensory neurons send the signal to the spinal cord. The spinal cord immediately sends a motor signal back to the muscles to pull the hand away. Smooth, controlled movement requires constant communication between the brain, spinal cord, muscles, and sensory receptors. When you walk, for example, your brain sends signals to leg muscles to move. At the same time, sensory feedback from muscles and joints informs the brain about body position and balance. This continuous loop allows the brain to adjust movements instantly, keeping them stable and efficient. Balance and posture also depend on precise nervous system coordination. Information from the inner ear, eyes, and muscles is constantly integrated to keep the body upright. Even when you are not aware of it, the nervous system is making tiny adjustments to muscle tension to prevent you from falling. The nervous system also controls involuntary actions that happen automatically, such as breathing, heart rate, and digestion. These functions are regulated without conscious effort, ensuring that the body continues to function properly, even when we are asleep or distracted. This automatic control allows the body to respond to stress, relax during rest, and maintain internal balance. In everyday life, the nervous system works non-stop. It allows us to react quickly to danger, coordinate complex movements, learn new skills, and adapt to changing conditions. Damage to any part of this system can affect movement, sensation, coordination, or reaction time, highlighting how essential it is for survival. In summary, the nervous system controls the body through fast, efficient nerve signals. Sensory neurons bring information in, the brain and spinal cord process it, and motor neurons send commands out. Through incredible speed and precise coordination, the nervous system enables movement, reflexes, balance, and automatic body functions. 2. It is this constant flow of signals that keeps the body responsive, coordinated, and alive every moment of our lives.